Electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as eVTOLs, are quickly becoming a reality, with early prototypes focused on carrying just 2 to 5 passengers. But the tech behind these vehicles is evolving rapidly, and soon, we might be flying in massive 40-passenger flying taxi buses. How did we get from small eVTOLs to colossal aircraft like the Kelekona? Let's take a look at the technology driving this transformation. The first generation of eVTOLs, like the Xpeng X2 and other small prototypes, are designed for short personal trips. These lightweight aircraft are powered by multiple small electric motors, each connected to rotors or fans, making them capable of vertical takeoff and landing in confined urban spaces. They're quick, efficient, and ideal for quick city hops. At their core, these eVTOLs use cutting-edge electric propulsion systems, with multiple rotors or tilt rotors that allow for vertical lift. They're equipped with advanced sensors, autopilot software, and AI to ensure safe, autonomous flight, all while reducing noise and emissions compared to traditional helicopters or planes. But as demand grows and technology advances, we're seeing the shift to larger, more capable flying vehicles. Enter the 40-passenger flying taxi bus, an ambitious design that takes eVTOL technology to the next level. To support more passengers and longer distances, key advancements are being made in several areas. For starters, the power systems have to scale up. Larger eVTOLs need bigger, more efficient electric motors and battery packs to provide the necessary lift and range. The Kelekona, for instance, is designed to travel up to 331 miles between cities, a far cry from the 155-mile range of smaller eVTOLs. Battery technology has also seen huge improvements. Larger eVTOLs like the Kelekona are designed with swappable battery packs to ensure continuous operation. This is a key development that allows these massive aircraft to stay in the air longer and travel greater distances without long charging times. Another major change is in aerodynamics and propulsion design. While small eVTOLs rely on multiple smaller rotors, larger models like the Kelekona use big, powerful fan banks with variable pitch blades. These blades tilt forward during flight to provide high-speed forward thrust, allowing the aircraft to achieve higher speeds and more efficient travel over long distances. It's not just the size that's changing. The very concept of what an eVTOL can do is evolving. We're moving from personal, quick flights to high-capacity intercity transport, where these flying taxi buses could carry up to 40 passengers or 10,000 pounds of cargo at once. The future of eVTOLs is all about scalability. From the small 2-passenger models we've seen today, the tech is evolving to accommodate more passengers, higher speeds, and longer distances. And soon, these flying taxi buses could become as commonplace as an Uber ride, whisking you across cities in a fraction of the time it takes today. What do you think of the leap from small eVTOLs to massive flying taxis? Will you be hopping aboard one of these giant flying buses? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of flight. Subscribe for more!